If you ever need to take a screenshot in Mozilla Firefox, you can do it in just a few seconds and you do not need any extra software at all. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to capture part of a page, the visible area, or even the full web page right inside Firefox. This is super useful for saving receipts, capturing articles, grabbing web content for reference, or sharing something you found online. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple browser tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Mozilla Firefox and go to the page you want to capture. If you want the fastest method, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on Windows or Linux. If you are using a Mac, press CMD, Shift, and S. You can also right-click on an empty area of the web page and choose Take Screenshot from the menu. Once you do that, Firefox will open its screenshot tool. From here, you have a few options. You can select a specific area. If you only want part of the page, you can capture the visible screen exactly as it appears, or you can choose the full page option if you want the entire web page from top to bottom. If you only need a section, click and drag to highlight the area you want. If you want the whole page, choose the full page capture option and Firefox will handle the rest. After selecting your screenshot, review it to make sure it looks right. When you are happy with it, click Download. Firefox will save the screenshot to your computer, and that's it. You've now taken a screenshot directly in Mozilla Firefox without needing any third-party tools. If this video helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe so you do not miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.